Sticky versus slippery stairs.
Go! Oh my god!
This is so slippery. Jimmy, my left hand is stuck.
Oh, your hand!
No, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Why are you grabbing me?
How's it going over there? Okay.
Focus. No! Go! Bye-bye.
Okay, reset.
Lock in. Don't let me go. We gotta work together. No!
Oh, he's stuck. There's our chance. We're so close.
No!
Thank you. Okay, come on. We gotta go.
Oh God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh no!
Oh my God.
Can a pillow pop this giant balloon?
Here we go. Yeah.
Shuttlecock.
Bang.
Ping pong ball.
Yeah. Listen, whatever this is. Back at it, Jimmy.
The world's biggest glue trap. And whoever makes it across wins $1. Go!
Get off of me! I'm the world's best bounty hunter. I got.
Here we go.
Level 1. Tinfoil. Let's go! Yeah! Bro, this is way better to wrap my burrito.
Say goodbye to rats with this trusted, easy-to-use rat killer. With low risk of secondary poisoning, it's safe for your pets and environment. Don't wait, take control today.
Kung sabihin hindi mo kailangan to, sobrang mura lang ng wireless doorbell na to. Panigurado, araw-araw may dumadating na parcel dyan sa inyo. Unang pahirapan yung rider, ate, maawa ka, bumili ka na lang nito para pipindot na lang siya, maririnig mo na. Eto, isasaksak nyo lang to sa loob ng bahay nyo, tapos ito yung ilalagay nyo sa pinto o kaya sa gate ninyo. Waterproof na din to ha, and 38 ringtones na yung pwede mong pagpilian. Plus yan, may volume siya dyan na pwede mong i-adjust. Kasama na tong adhesive and yung label. Ayan, ang perfect. Sobrang mura lang, 165 lang. Tigilan mo na yung pagbingi-bingihan sa rider, umorder ka na nito. Ilalagay ko yung link dito sa yellow.